Hello everyone, welcome back to the VMS class. In today's video, I will show you a simple and fun Python mini project called Number Guessing Game using Tkinter GUI. This project is very useful for beginners and students who are learning Python. Let's see how it works. Here, the system automatically generates a random number between 1 and 100. The user needs to guess the correct number. If the entered number is smaller than the secret number, the program shows too low, try a big number. And if the number is higher than it shows, then it is going to display a message too high, try a smaller number. The game also counts how many attempts the user has taken. Once the correct number is guessed, it displays a success message with the total attempts. We also have a restart button to start the game again instantly. Let's play the game. 45. So you can remember this number 45. It is showing too high, try a smaller number. So the number is less than the 45. Then you can type any other number, 30. So still it is a smaller number. You can type 20. So still it is a smaller number, 15. So this number is low because 15 and 20 in between the number may be. You can select any other number, 17. So now 15 and 17 I have tried. So now this number is smaller than 17. So the number can be 16. So now you can see you guessed the correct number. So based on this number, you need to guess the correct number. If you don't provide any number and click check guess, then it is going to display a warning message. Please enter a number again. This project is created using Python, Tkinter GUI, random module, functions and conditions. If you want to learn how projects like this are developed step by step using Python, you can enroll in our course using the link given in the description below. The course is specially designed for beginners to practice Python through mini projects. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.